Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Shop-Vac filters is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining a clean and efficient workspace, transforming your ordinary Shop-Vac into a powerful dust-busting machine that captures everything from fine drywall dust to wood chips, ensuring superior air quality and extending the life of your valuable equipment with minimal effort. Number 5. Shop-Vac 903509030490333 Replacement Wet-Dry Vacuum Filter. Enhance your Shop-Vac wet-dry vacuum with this high-quality replacement filter. It's designed to fit most 5-gallon and larger models, ensuring your vacuum performs its best. Before purchasing, please confirm compatibility with your specific vacuum model. Pay close attention to the inner diameter, as the 90304 6-inch is larger than the 90398 4-inch. This filter is compatible with various Shop-Vac types, including U903 0400, X903 5000, and W903 4000. It also fits numerous models like BLB 450 and SSP 16-500A, among others. Crafted from durable synthetic material, this replacement filter is built to last. You can easily wash it, extending its lifespan and maintaining optimal performance. Its pleated design and larger surface area prevent clogging, boosting airflow and suction. This ensures your vacuum operates at its peak efficiency for a cleaner result. Please note, while it fits most 5-gallon vacuums, this filter is not suitable for the 5-gallon portable model H87S or any hang-up vacuums. Always double-check your model. What we like. This filter boasts a washable and long-lasting synthetic material, ensuring extended use and great value. Its pleated design maximizes surface area, preventing clogs and boosting your vacuum suction and airflow. If you're looking for a durable, high-performance filter that you can clean and reuse, this is an excellent choice for maintaining peak vacuum efficiency. What people say. Number 4. Kopach filter for Craftsman 17816 and Ridgid VF 4000 Vacs. Heavy-duty vacuums are a great investment for a clean space. However, their accessories can be expensive. This product offers a high-quality replacement part at an affordable cost without sacrificing performance. Whether for a construction site or your garage, keeping your Shop-Vac's filter in good condition is crucial. Regularly replacing it ensures high suction power. This helps keep your environment tidy, benefiting both you and your pets. This pleated air filter is designed to fit most Craftsman vacuums from 1988 onwards, 5 gallons and larger. It's the perfect replacement for your red stripe filter, part #9-17816. Additionally, it fits most Ridgid brand vacuums, replacing the VF 4000 filter, though a Kopach cap is required for Ridgid users. This filter works with existing Craftsman caps. For Ridgid vacuums, you'll need our specific cap and wing nut attachments to ensure a secure fit. If your current Craftsman filter has a rubber snap over end, a special adapter cap and grommet might be necessary. At Kopach Filter, your satisfaction is our priority. If you're unsure about compatibility or encounter any fitting issues, please reach out to us through our Amazon homepage. We are always happy to assist you in finding the right products. What we like. This option offers professional quality at an affordable price, making it a smart investment for maintaining your heavy-duty vacuum. It's specifically designed to fit most Craftsman and Ridgid vacuums, providing a versatile solution for popular brands. If you own a Craftsman or Ridgid Shop-Vac and want a cost-effective, high-quality replacement, this filter is tailored for your needs. What people say. Number 3. Shop-Vac VF 2002 Dry Disc Filters 3-Pack. Introducing the VF 2002 Dry Disc Filters. These are designed for quick, easy filter changes, ensuring your shop vacuum always performs at its best. They are specifically engineered for capturing everyday dry dirt, dust, and debris. Keep your workspace clean with minimal effort. Please note, these filters are not intended for fine dust or wet pickups. Using them for their designated purpose ensures optimal performance and longevity. These filters are designed to fit most Shop-Vac branded wet-dry vacuum cleaners, especially 5-gallon and larger models. However, they are not compatible with workshop wet-dry vacs. Each package includes 3 disposable dry filters, along with a retaining band. This band ensures a secure fit to your vacuum's filter cage, preventing any leaks. For the best performance from your wet-dry vacuum cleaner, it's recommended to replace these filters at least twice a year. Regular replacement keeps your vacuum running efficiently. What we like. This disposable dry filter is perfect for quick and easy changes, ensuring optimal vacuum performance without the hassle of cleaning. It's specifically designed for everyday dirt, dust, and debris, making it ideal for routine cleanups. If you prefer the convenience of simply replacing filters for dry, general use and want multiple filters on hand, this 3-pack offers a straightforward and efficient solution. What people say. Number 2. 3-pack 90585 VF 2001 foam filters for wet-dry vacuums. This package provides 3 premium quality foam filters. You can replace your old, dirty vacuum filter immediately, ensuring continuous cleaning power. Please confirm your vacuum model for compatibility. These replacement foam filters are designed for various wet-dry vacuum cleaners. They fit most Shop-Vac, Genie, and 5 to 16 gallon VacMaster models. They replace parts number 90585 and number 9058500. Installing and replacing these filters is incredibly easy, requiring no tools. Regular cleaning, every 3 to 6 months, is recommended to keep your vacuum running efficiently. This helps maintain a healthier cleaning environment. These foam filters are fully washable and reusable. Simply clean them with water, and they won't deform. Allow them to air dry completely, and they'll be ready for use again. These filters are crucial for maintaining your vacuum's performance and longevity. Regular replacement ensures optimal suction and air quality. It helps your machine operate at its best. Should you have any questions about these replacement filters, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are committed to responding within 12 hours. We'll do our best to help you solve any issues. What we like. This product provides a convenient 3-pack of foam sleeve filters, ensuring you always have a replacement ready. They are washable and reusable, allowing you to clean and air dry them for extended use, saving you money over time. If you're looking for a versatile, reusable foam filter that's easy to maintain and compatible with several popular wet-dry vacuum brands, this multi-pack is a practical choice. What people say. Number 1. Shop-Vac 901-0733 Reusable Dry Filter, 3-pack. This filter is specifically designed for dry vacuuming tasks. It's reusable, helping you save money and avoid frequent trips to the store. Remember to use it with a 90,585 foam sleeve for optimal performance. These filters are incredibly easy to use and install. They come in a convenient 3-pack, fitting most 5-gallon and larger Shop-Vac wet-dry vacuums. Simply wash and reuse them for collecting dry material and larger debris. Beyond just filters, Shop-Vac offers a comprehensive range of cleaning solutions. From cordless vacuums to air movers, they have products to tackle any job. You can trust them to have you covered. As an American original, this brand provides a complete line of cleaning tools. Their products are suitable for home, industrial, and commercial applications. They offer everything from vacuum cleaners to various attachments. This company is a recognized world leader in wet-dry vacuum cleaners. Since 1965, they have consistently produced innovative and high-quality products. You can depend on their filters, bags, and accessories for lasting performance. What we like. This reusable dry filter comes with a convenient mounting ring, making it easy to install for picking up larger debris. It's designed for economical, repeated use, allowing you to wash and reuse it multiple times. If you frequently deal with larger dry materials and appreciate a reusable option that pairs with a foam sleeve for comprehensive filtration, this 3-pack offers a dependable solution for your Shop-Vac. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.